We will guide you through how to create new page in AutoCAD. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, begin by opening AutoCAD by double-clicking the AutoCAD icon on your desktop or selecting it from the Start menu. Open an existing drawing by clicking Open and selecting your .dwg file, or click New to start a new drawing. Look at the bottom of the AutoCAD workspace and locate the Layout tabs beside the Model tab. Click the plus icon next to the existing Layout tabs to create a new page. Check the bottom of the screen and confirm that a new Layout tab has appeared. If you want to give the page a meaningful name, double-click the New Layout tab, type the desired layout name, and press Enter to confirm the change. Next, right-click the Layout tab and select Page Setup Manager to configure the page settings. In the Page Setup Manager, click New to create a new page setup. Enter a suitable name for the new page setup and click OK to continue. In the Printer or Plotter section, choose the printer or plotter that you want to use for the drawing. Select the appropriate paper size, such as A4, A3, A2, A1, or A0, depending on your project requirements. Set the plot area to layout if you want the entire paper layout to be used when printing. Choose the appropriate drawing orientation by selecting Portrait for a vertical page or Landscape for a horizontal page. Review the selected settings carefully to make sure they match your drawing requirements before continuing. Click OK to save the page setup and return to the Page Setup Manager. Click Close to exit the Page Setup Manager and return to the new layout page. Your new page is now ready for adding viewports, title blocks, annotations, dimensions, and preparing the drawing for plotting or printing.